Hi everyone, welcome to our live stream over here. What you're seeing in front of you is mixed reality. This is our demonstration of 3D Tic-Tac-Toe, which is a experience on developing mixed reality for HoloLens and being able to share holograms in that space. We're currently broadcasting to you live from our office. There might be some external noise, but what we are showing you here is that we have HoloLens allowing us to be able to interact with each other live in mixed reality and being able to understand 3D holograms. The application you're going to see here is built by HelloHolo. Here we are a mixed reality solutions agency, and we build mixed reality applications like what you see over here. What I have on my head is the Microsoft HoloLens. It allows me to see holograms in mixed reality. As part of my world over here, I get to see digital content right in front of my world. You're seeing two views right now. One's a camera in our studio that's just showing us moving around space, and another is a live stream for a third-person perspective on this game over here, 3D Tic-Tac-Toe. So 3D Tic-Tac-Toe over here, it has a 3x3 grid, and it's a really fun and interesting take on Tic-Tac-Toe. But in order to play Tic-Tac-Toe, of course, we need to have multiple players. And what we have over here is my colleague, is going to help me play some Tic-Tac-Toe over here and we're going to interact with these holograms in front of us. In fact, the holograms that you see in front of us are in the same space, so you can see the cubes in front of my head, and these cubes help us to understand and show how where we are in space. And both of us, we see the same hologram. So if I point this shape out to Kenan, he also sees the same things, the exact same spot. We'll adjust the camera view slightly over here so we can get a better view. Right, yeah, so you can see right now that we both have the same view here, and we're going to play a couple of rounds. In order to interact with HoloLens, it's really easy, and I think it's Kenan's turn. He's going to show you how we do it. We just use a very simple gesture, and he can summon the ball using his hands. And as you can see how easy it is for us to interact with the space like this. We just pretend as if they are real objects and interact with those objects as if they are there in real space. And now I can see that it's very easy for me to understand the 3D space over here. Kenan is probably going to place another one over here, right? And we need to see, I need to strategize what I'm going to do next. Okay, I'm going to block it over here. So I'm going to place one ball over here. And it's very easy for us to just move around the space and see different perspectives of the holograms over here. Yep, nice, okay. So we managed to block my position, but I see one opportunity here. Should I block him or should I take it down and ask for? I'm just going to take this over here. Yeah, spot one. So you can see how mixed reality is great for these kind of interactive experiences, right? It's good for entertainment where you can have a new opportunity to replace resources that you never had, being able to interact with others and with content that you never might be able to see, like especially during this COVID-19 period. We can't see, and we can't go to the zoo, we can't go to museums, or we can't access everything that we want to. So it's more using this sort of technology, we can now share this sort of experiences together. And we're already actively deploying this sort of technology to places like the National Museum of Singapore and elsewhere. And this is something that, in the new normal of events, everyone needs to take advantage of. And you can see just how intuitive it is for people to interact with this technology. It's quite unlike any other. And the opportunities don't just stop at events. There is so much more that HoloLens is good for. It's actually HoloLens is primarily an enterprise device. So this sort of device helps people in the architecture, engineering, construction, and operations industry, or we call them the eco industry, be able to visualize and work with their 3D models in real life. You can imagine the scenario over here that I have where me and Kenna, we are discussing about a construction project and see the entire architecture model in real life and be able to point out different objects and so on. So this is really an opportunity for even remote work or working together. Everybody can see and solve the same 3D problems in real life using holograms and mixed reality. Wow, I swapped double right there. So, Kenna, you better catch up over here. Yeah, so this is mixed reality and being able to interact with holograms in real life. It's something truly magical, and it's something that you have to interact with to be able to understand and really see the magic over here. It brings so much interesting dimensions into events, into interactive experiences. Imagine storytelling through these situations. So yeah, I won over here, so that's really amazing. Yeah, and why not take advantage of this sort of scenario here where you have mixed reality and you can be able to understand 3D holograms together. We're going to review the comments over here to just check if you have any questions. Doesn't seem like you have any right now. That's no problem. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message on Facebook. Okay, we're going to reset our game over here, and we're going to play a little bit more of 3D Tic-Tac-Toe. All right, we're going to fix a couple of things over here, and we'll be right back. Reset. Okay, check if you see the playing field. Yeah. Okay. So if you're just joining us, welcome. Today we are showing, welcome to Microsoft. Oh man, so much stuff going on. Have a rainy day, so everybody's a little bit sleepy. Welcome to HelloHolo's live stream of mixed reality demos here, together with the Event and Tech Show 2020. So what we have here today, we are currently at the offices of HelloHolo. My name is Rongkang, this is Kenna, and today we are showing you the Microsoft HoloLens 2. This device allows you to interact with holograms as part of your real space and be able to see rich 3D digital content as part of your environment. So I'm going to show you our what we are seeing over here with these headsets, and this is the perspective we are seeing. We are actually seeing 3D holograms as part of the space over here. So, and you can see that based on the cubes around our head, we are actually sharing the same space over here. And me and Kenna, we are actually sharing the same holograms. You can see that the holograms are in the same exact position. So this sort of mixed reality technology allows us to share digital experiences in space, and it's really easy to interact with. All I need to do in order to summon a new ball is just to open my hand like this, and I can interact with it just with my hands. So I'm going to place my first spot over here in this game called 3D Tic-Tac-Toe. So in 3D Tic-Tac-Toe, it's like a 9x9 grid, so it creates a lot of interesting dimensions over here. This game is something that we built at HelloHolo, and it's lots of fun. So we strategize and look at the playing field from different positions. Right, and I can easily score a point like this. So this sort of mixed reality technology is really built for replacing. Canon's having a little bit of issues to do that, but it's really built for really immersive interactive content. Imagine events now that you can go and interact with multiple people in different spaces. Right? You can interact with 3D content together in the space. Yeah, I'm going to go over here and reset our stream over here. I think it has terminated a little early, so we're going to try that again. And this sort of, and you can see on your video right now that this sort of interaction can take place anywhere. It doesn't have to be in a control office. On the screen right now, you see this sort of interaction happening outside, and this system is so resilient that you're able to do that if you want to. If you have any questions about what you're seeing here today, feel free to pop them in the chat while we fix a slight technical issue right here. These devices are battery powered, and sometimes people get to charge them overnight. So, human mistakes for human devices. I'm going to switch to a perspective over here that is slightly different. This is my first-person view of the environment. So you're going to see what exactly I'm seeing in front of me. And in the same vein, it's really easy to interact with the environment. You can see how I'm actually grabbing the holograms and interacting with the space. And you can see that me and Kenna, we both see the same holograms in the same space, and it's really easy to interact with this. So as I was saying, this technology is really built for immersive, interactive storytelling. Imagine the kind of scenarios that you can have. You can have characters come into your world and sit down with you, interact with your space. You can interact with dinosaurs, animals that don't even exist, and they are right there as if they are in your room. Or you can connect remotely with a museum curator, and they'll tell you stories about the 3D holograms you're seeing in front of you. So this sort of interaction is really enabled by mixed reality technology. And this is what HelloHolo provides. We are a mixed reality solutions agency, and we build great storytelling experiences, interactive experiences that go across boundaries, both the digital and the physical boundaries. Another area that we are, really focused in, not just for entertainment, but for serious work as well. You might have heard of the terminology serious games. This technology is really being used by the eco industry, the architecture, engineering, construction, and operations agency. Because these guys, they deal with really complex 3D situations. So you can imagine a scenario where me and Kenan, we are both reviewing the same 3D models, and identify problems and work together to solve them. This is the magic of mixed reality, where we are able to solve complex 3D problems. We are able to see situations in a whole different light, not quite different from seeing this 3D Tic-Tac-Toe game in different perspectives. Wow. Okay. Kenan, I'm going to finish, and maybe you can beat my score this time. It's a draw. Nice. Okay, so we can high five over here. Yeah. Okay. Remember to wash your hands. Okay. All right. So this is in rich mixed reality where I can see holograms as part of my space and share it with other people. This technology is enabled by the Microsoft HoloLens tool, and this game is built by HelloHolo, so we have the expertise to deliver this sort of solutions for events, for entertainment, for engineering and industry 4.0 situations. We have a suite of tools that enable this sort of situation, productivity and fun as well. So feel free to let us know what you think in the comments and ask us any questions. We're here to help you understand mixed reality and enable your use of mixed reality in the real world. All right, we have some questions over here. Somebody asked over here, can we learn more about HoloLens and how to interact with it and how to build for it? Yes, you can. We actually are, if you're based in Singapore, we are running a mixed reality developer course where we teach students how to build experiences just like this. You'll be surprised how simple it can be with some of the given tools. And even if you don't have a lot of programming experience or you don't have any at all, you actually can learn how to build 3D mixed reality experiences. Feel free to drop us a message to ask us about our mixed reality developer course. There's actually, if you're based in Singapore, there's a lot of funding for it, and you might be able to attend the course for free by claiming your SITREP plus allowance from the IMDA here in Singapore. So feel free to drop us a message about it and learn more about how you can build experiences like this. HelloHolo is here to enable developers, organizations to make use of mixed reality and be able to understand how to make use of this, how to take advantage of this new platform to place physical content, do work in more interesting ways, and learn more effectively as well. All right, so we're going to take a break over here, and after this, we are going to show how home-based AR is another very interesting platform that allows you to interact with the environment if you don't have a headset like this. So if you don't have a Microsoft HoloLens headset at home, and you very likely don't, we're going to show you opportunities on the phone to interact with these kind of devices. So stay tuned to us here at HelloHolo at the event and tech show. And in the meantime, feel free to drop us any other questions on in the messenger chat or on our website, www.helloholo.sg. All right, we'll be right back in about 10 minutes.